Mommy's home. Are my twins twinning? You guys are hanging out together. That's just so cute. It's just so cute. You guys are hanging out together. The little twins, Miss Beepa and Miss Princess, are hanging out together, being so cute. How are you, Lemon Drop? Are you tired? Well, sleepy boy? Look how Furby did what's a number on your head. Was she plucking your head today? Did she give you a haircut? He was in the war. He got a toenail blew off. He's our soldier boy. Just kidding. I'd be making up stories about what happened to his toenail because I don't know where it went. He just came like that. Missing a toenail. Say, that's my microphone. I just seen it now. Yeah, it's your microphone. I see you dancing with your toes today. It was so cute. Yes, it was. Uh-oh! This is the new hoodie I got today. Found it in the men's section because they keep all the cool stuff in the men's section. They hide all the clothes from me in the men's section. So that's where I must shop now. Only men's section. Lemon Drop likes my hoodie. He wants one. He wants to match with me. Yeah? No? Earlier he wanted to. Beepa! He's a Beepa! It's a Beepa! Oh my goodness! Your mohawk is so long it touches the sky. Look at the toes. The cute little princess toe. It's a claw. It's a Beepa. Hi, Beepa. A claw. Oh, that was kind of violent.